Hope you all are well. I'm an official member of FOREX BD. Today I will share a new strategy with you. By following this strategy, you can make a good amount of profit and enrich your Forex career. Every Forex trader wants to learn new strategy, and that's why many people are constantly requesting FOREX BD to share more strategy in a new way. Although FOREX BD has shared many strategy with you so far, your valuable comment and like on those videos inspire us to do something good. So FOREX BD always hope that you will always be by the side of FOREX BD and will always inspire FOREX BD by liking and commenting. So the strategy that I will share with you today is called head and shoulder strategy. Head and shoulder strategy is one of the most popular Forex strategy, and by following this strategy you can earn a good amount from Forex. Many Forex traders are earning a good amount by following this strategy. So you can learn it well and then apply it to real trading to earn a good income. So everyone is requested to watch this video carefully from beginning to end, and those who want to learn such a good strategy and earn a good amount of money from Forex, follow this playlist of FOREX BD. Here are the important and best strategy of Forex, and all the strategy are discussed in details here. So those who want to learn the best strategy of Forex must follow this playlist, and I will request the well-wisher of FOREX BD, please subscribe FOREX BD's another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you, and those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. So before sharing this best strategy today, I would like to request you to watch this video carefully, and after watch the video you will practice it well in the demo, because there is no substitute for practice. The more you practice, the more you will develop yourself as a skillful Forex trader. So you must practice well this strategy in demo. If you follow this strategy and get good feedback in the demo, then apply it in real trading. Then you will be more likely to get good feedback. So I said at the beginning that today's strategy is called head and shoulder strategy. The chart you can see on your screen is the pattern of head and shoulder. The pattern is that the market will go up first, then go down a little and retest again. After going up quite a bit, the market will go down again with retest, then go up a bit and go down again. This pattern is called head and shoulder pattern. We all know head and shoulder means. Now many may wonder why the name of this pattern has been kept in view of the resemblance to human being, because it looks like human body. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, and that's why it's named head and shoulder. But surely having this name will make it easier for you to remember this strategy. After drawing the head and shoulder, then draw it in the same way with the horizontal line. It's called neckline. Now the question will come to everyone's mind, from which point the entry should be taken. Now there are two ways to take entry from here. The first is that when the market goes down, by making right shoulder and break out the neckline, you will make a sell order. I say again, when the market goes down, by making right shoulder and break out neckline, you will make a sell order. Now the question is where to set up SL and TP. Of course I will tell you that you will set up SL and TP by looking back points. So if we take entry from this neckline, we will set up our SL by looking at the back point. So we have a back point near our entry point. The market came to this place and retest it. So we will set up our SL in this place, and of course we will set up our TP by following our profit ratio, that is 1:3. So if our SL 20 pips, then our TP should be 60 pips. The entry that I have been showing you for so long was in the uptrend market. That is our entry in the uptrend market from the head and shoulder pattern. Now I will show you how to follow this strategy from the downtrend market. In other words, you can follow this strategy and take entry from the downtrend market. If you reverse this head and shoulder strategy, you will see that the head and shoulder of the downtrend market, and its name is inverted head and shoulder. This pattern is that the market will go down first, then go up and go down some distance with retest, then go up, then go down and go up again, and there will be a neckline along this. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head and this is the right shoulder. So when the market creates right shoulder and goes up and break the neckline, then you will take a buy order. I say again, you will take a buy order only when the market goes up and break out the neckline. And you must set up SL and TP by following 1:3 profit ratio. First, you will set up SL. You will set up SL by looking at the back point. So we will set up SL in this place and we will set up TP by looking at the back point, or we will set up our SL by following 1:3 profit ratio. Moreover, there is another rule for setting SL and TP. That is, you will set up ATP as far as the distance of the head from the neckline. That means if the head distance from the neckline is 100 pips, then you can set up your TP 100 pips. This is the today's strategy. I hope you understand today's strategy well. I would request you to watch the video again and again. If you don't understand it, then you can easily understand it. And if you want to know something new, or if you want to know something about this strategy, you can feel free to comment. FOREX BD will try to help you anytime. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is ICM Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.